Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we want to find the positive value of x given that you have 1 plus x divided by x plus 1 equals 2. Let's say we have it to be solution. So from here we have 1 plus x over x plus 1 then equals 2. By dividing this one by 1, then when we cross multiply, so we are going to have this to be x plus 1 times 1. This will be 1 plus x equals 2 times x plus 1. So from this side we have 1 plus x. When we open with 2 times x will give us 2x plus 2 times 1 will give us 2. Then from here, let's collect the like terms. By collecting the like terms, so we are going to have, let's subtract minus x. From here we have 1 plus x then minus x equals 2x then minus x here also. Then remember we have plus 2. So we have 1 plus x minus x. This will cancel out. We have 2x minus x will give us x plus 2. Likewise, let's subtract minus 2. Since we have plus 2 here, then when we subtract minus 2 from the side and minus 2 from this side, so plus 1 minus 2, this will be equals minus 1 and equals plus 2 minus 2, this will cancel out. We have x. So from here we can declare finally x equals minus 1. So x equals minus 1 is the solution. Then before we can conclude finally, let us verify. We have 1 plus x over x plus 1, we say equals 2. Then we got the value of x to be equals minus 1. So from here, we are going to have plus 1 then minus 1 over, from this side also we have minus 1 plus 1. Then the question now is it going to give us 2? So from here we have plus 1 minus 1 will give us 0 over minus 1 plus 1 will give us 0, and does this equals 2? 0 over 0 will give us 0, so 0 does not equals to 2. So from this side we can conclude finally that s equals minus 1 does not satisfy it. So from here, x will be 1 plus x over x plus 1 that equals 2 has no resolution.